Hey everybody! So everybody's seen the Snap-on commercial where the guy in the tool truck reaches over, picks up a nickel or quarter with the tools. Oh, great! Yeah, I like that. That's precision. Yeah. Well, let's see if I can pick up a penny here. Oh, there we go. There's a penny. What about dime? Oh wait, we pick up a dime. What about that little bitty damn washer? Now that's impressive, folks. See, it's not sticking. It is literally got enough to pick up that little damn washer. Now, you like me, you got thumbs for fingers. That's You'll never get that off the floor. It's just not going to happen. But I stopped over at my favorite store, HF, and I picked up these electrician pliers. Under $20. They literally, precision is so damn nice. They feel great in the hand. They are so comfortable. Hold on a second here. All right, so I know. Electrical pliers. Well, how they cut? Like butter. How they strip? Like butter. Like butter. Yeah, that's smaller gauge. We'll try 10 gauge. Like butter. Like butter. I can really shave it. Yep. They're comfortable. They feel nice. They have a nice thick crimp in the back. Not that I use these very often for crimping. I'm a type person who likes my crimp up here. But that claw can squeeze. You can literally, I think you can almost crimp something with that front claw. I would be surprised on it. There is zero play. These things feel stealth. They will be they are my new favorite go-to plier. They got nice shredded teeth to grip with, fine tip, precision, wires, crimps. It's almost like your all-purpose pliers. Really is. I'm actually impressed. Not too sure what they're for. Oh, okay. Just found that out. Yep. No hesitation there. I'm actually impressed, folks. These are nice. Well, let's see if we get that big old 10 gauge in there. Nope, not for the side one we ain't. But there you go, folks. The DOYLE at Harbor Freight. These are some badass pliers. Under 20 bucks, I recommend everybody get one in their toolbox. You will not be let down. Later.